Have you ever wondered how breastfeeding can protect your baby? It's a question many new parents ask. Let's explore this incredible process. Breastfeeding is nature's way of giving your baby the best start. Did you know breast milk adapts to your baby's needs? It's packed with nutrients and antibodies. When a baby suckles, they receive colostrum first. Colostrum is a thick yellow milk produced in the first days. It's rich in proteins and antibodies. As breastfeeding continues, the milk changes. It contains immune-boosting components. These protect against infections and diseases. Breast milk has antibodies, particularly IgA. IgA coats your baby's intestines. This helps to block harmful viruses and bacteria. Also, breast milk carries white blood cells. These cells fight off pathogens. They help the baby build its immune system. Another vital component is lactoferrin. This protein binds to iron. It prevents harmful bacteria from growing in your baby's gut. The good bacteria found in breast milk help too. They support digestion and overall health. This microbiome is crucial for strong immunity. Breastfeeding reduces the risk of allergies and asthma. It also lowers the chance of gastrointestinal infections. Research shows breastfed babies have fewer sick days. Furthermore, nurturing through breastfeeding builds emotional bonds. This bond is essential for healthy development. A happy, secure baby tends to be healthier overall. So, consider the immense benefits of breastfeeding. It creates a strong foundation for your baby's health. In summary, breastfeeding boosts immunity through antibodies, proteins, and beneficial bacteria. This protective layer helps your baby thrive. Don't underestimate the power of breast milk. Ready to give your baby the best? Start breastfeeding today. You're building a healthy future.